Hello everyone, this is Rachel and thanks for joining me again today. I'm going to make another mixed media project, and this project is actually part of a challenge from the LilyPad, and it's using the monthly media kit. The challenge for today is to use one or all of the following words: protective, devote, affection. So I'm going to take that challenge and let's see what I can come up with. I'm going to begin by pulling in this image of the foliage into Photoshop, and then the first thing that I want to do is change my workspace to the typography workspace, and that just makes it easy for me to have all the panels that I need, because I'm basically going to be doing a technique where I select the outline of an image and then I use the work path or text path to fill it with my text. So right now I'm just grabbing the leaf on the left and I'm trying to get a rough outline. And then I'm going to move over to the Paths panel and I'm going to click on Make a Work Path. Next, I'm going to move over to my Word document because I've already chosen some sentences to use in this project. I'm grabbing the first sentence and hitting Command C to copy it. Next, I'm going to grab my Type tool and I'm just going to change the font to a smaller size. And I'm going to begin to paste in the font by using Command V. I'm just going to repeat that multiple times until the text is filled within the shape of the leaf. So once I have the left leaf filled in, I'm going to return back to my layers panel and make sure I'm on the foliage layer. I'm going to use my quick selection tool again, and I'm going to repeat the same steps by just dragging along to get a rough outline of the selection. And it really does not have to be as detailed. I'm going to go over to the Paths panel. I'm going to click on Make Work Path. I'm going to go back into my Word document and select the second sentence. I'm going to grab the entire sentence and hit Command C to copy it. And then I'm just going to move back into Photoshop, click my Type tool, and then Command V to begin pasting the text inside the shape of the second leaf. I'm just going to repeat the same steps, go to the Layers panel and select the foliage layer, click on the quick selection tool, and begin to just drag down again to get the outline of the leaf. And once again, go back to the Paths panel, click on Make Work Path, and find the text, my third and final text. I'm just going to copy the sentence, Command C, go back to Photoshop, click on the Type tool, and Command V several times until I fill in the outline of the third leaf. So next I want to use this 3x4 card, and the first thing I'm going to do is create a new layer, and then I'm going to hit Alt and backspace key. I just want to fill the layer with any color that's in my foreground. It doesn't matter. Now I'm just looking for a gold style. Gold is so on trend right now and it's everywhere if you look on Pinterest, and I just wanted to change that into some gold confetti just to add some interest to my card. Next, I'm going to go grab the foliage and place it into my project. And I'm just going to reposition it and just move it down and put it right a little bit offset, but just move it exactly where I want it on my project. And I'm going to go back into my Styles panel just to find a shadow for that, just to help it stand out a little bit. And then I'm going to go back to my Word document, and I wrote the paragraph, but this time I wrote it with the font exactly as I would like to see it, a stylized font. and I'm going to copy by hitting Command C, going back into Photoshop, and I'm just going to paste that entire paragraph right there, and that's going to be the focal word art, which is the same exact sentences, but again I just stylized the words a bit by changing the font sizes. And once I have that in place, I'm going to duplicate the layer, and I'm just going to grab the second layer and I'm going to rasterize it, because I'm going to change my foreground to white, and then I'm going to fill the second text with the white foreground color. And with my move tools, my arrows, I just move the white text and offset it, and so it peeks out right beneath the black text. And so here's a look at the final project, and I hope this helped inspire you, and hope you will take the challenge as well. I can't wait to see what everyone else has to share. For more information, please visit my blog at mydigitalevolutionincrafting.blogspot.com, and also please remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. That way YouTube knows that you like these videos, and that will help me to be able to provide some more.